With all my failed attempts at trying to fix up a busted phone and restore it for cheap, the purchase I made recently was doubtful to say the very least. The G6 is not as good of a device as I anticipated, as the 821 has aged just horribly, and combined with various hardware issues similar to the ones I faced on the LG V20 and my G3, specifically in the battery department, and inconsistent performance in the camera department, and of course regular usage, I bought a replacement screen for my Moto Z and moved on. But the order got cancelled, and there happened to be a cheap Essential PH1 for sale on eBay. I had actually bought another one for $25 last year, but it was water damaged. But this seller is legit. They're actually based in my state, and I've gotten deals from them before, so I pulled the trigger hoping for the worst. Fast forward a few days later, and I have the phone. It came well packed, and removing all the bubble wrap reveals essentials first and last smartphone covered in stickers. I gave it a good clean before I proceeded to try and fix it. Upon closer inspection, the body isn't perfect and the display is cracked, but overall, if I don't get this fixed, I have a pretty nice brick to look at. Anyways, before I want to make a list of combo buttons, I made a discovery. The charging port had something inside of it. If I tried plugging in a Type-C cable, it didn't go in all the way, so I used some miscellaneous tools to get all the gunk out of it. After the first try, the battery LED didn't come on, but I finished cleaning it off and it started charging. At this point, I was still fairly doubtful, but after leaving it charging for a few minutes, it booted into what I would soon find out is Android 10 on a late 2019 security patch. I didn't get my hopes up too much, so I tested a SIM tray. Works fine. Cameras, speaker, Wi-Fi, fingerprint sensor. After testing just about everything, I think it was safe to say that I just got an unbelievable deal. To be fair, I thought that headphones wouldn't work, but turns out, unlike some other smartphones like the Moto Z and some Liigo devices, which have a built-in DAC, the PH1 doesn't, but you do get a high quality one if you get the Snap-on mod or Type-C adapter, which I do plan on buying. After I tested everything out, I surrendered the SIM card in my G6, unlocked the bootloader, flashed a patched boot image and TWRP, and now I can start using this phone. TWRP on the Essential phone has various issues such as touch and encryption, but considering the stock software is up to date and well, stock, I don't think I'll be visiting TWRP anytime soon. So at this point, I'm pretty speechless and blown away. I mean, guys, the 835 and 821 are night and day in terms of performance. It did get a little bit hot whenever I was doing the setup, but I haven't had it heat up on me really unless I've been playing games for quite some time. I am very impressed. Like I said before, I do plan on getting a replacement screen, and I will also review this device, so stay tuned so you don't miss out on that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll do my best to get back to you. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, but if not, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel and enable notifications for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.